Welcome everyone. In today's video, I wanted to talk about Atrix Protocol, which is the shiny new toy on Solana. So Atrix Protocol recently went live on mainnet a couple of weeks ago, but it stayed under the radar until quite recently when the almond farm opened up. So Atrix Protocol, firstly, allows you to do swaps on top of it. Secondly, allows you to enter pools where you can become an LP. So essentially, because it's built on top of Serum, you can enter the liquidity pools, become an LP, and then you can receive LP tokens. And then with those LP tokens, you can do different things. If I scroll down here, it says they got something for everyone. So for projects, they can easily create Serum liquidity pools and LP token farms. So projects are able to create pools and farms with custom emissions to kickstart their project with zero code needed. Additionally, they have something here for farmers, so you can find all your liquidity and farms in one place. Atrix provides an intuitive interface with all your pools and farms in one place, and for traders, you are able to trade with minimal fees and minimal slippage. Atrix performs all trades directly on the Serum DEX without any additional fees. So, permissionless liquidity, that's quite cool, and I'll show you the user interface right now. So I've already logged in. As you can see here, we have 3 tabs at the top. So the first one is swap, we have pools, and then farms. So with swap, if you're familiar with any other swap platform or any other DEX where you can do swaps, you should be familiar with Atrix. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to buy some Sol. Let's just do that. Let me adjust the settings. Let's just do 0.2% slippage. And let's swap. And like that, easy swap. And because it's Solana, it's fast, it's quick, and it's cheap. So keep that in mind as well. Also keep in mind the fact that Atrix Protocol does not have a token. They have no hard set date on a token released. Neither have they done a public sale, private sale, or have any VCs involved. So likely this is a fair launch protocol. So what they will do is they'll likely to be doing an airdrop for any early users, so people who do swaps or who are LPs. Additionally, they might do a liquidity mining program of their own. So just keep an eye out on Atrix Protocol. If you have any swaps that you need to do and you don't mind going to Atrix because if you've done swaps with them, they may reward you in the future with an airdrop. And the more swaps you do with them, typically these airdrops now, they will reward you based on how much volume you've done with the DEX. Like Orca did that, for example. DYDX did that, for example. The more swaps you did, the more volume you got, the more you got rewarded. So I'm not saying this is 100% true for Atrix, but I like to think that this is the case. So if we take a look at pools, you can see here that you can enter several different pools. So you have USDT, USDC, MSOL Sol, MSOL USDC, and a couple of others. So you can deposit into these pools. And then once you have, you receive LP tokens. So I'll show you right now. So I already have some almond tokens. Let me just do that. Okay, so now I have almond USDC Atrix LP tokens. So as you can see here, I have 673. And with those tokens, I can now stake it into this liquidity pool. Okay, so now I'm on the farming screen. I want to stake my tokens. So let's just do 673. Stake. Press approve. There we go. My LP tokens are staked. And the amount of serum earned is going to start to tick up now. Now that I've earned 0.00001 serum, I can go ahead and claim that. And once I've claimed that, that will be sent to my wallet. So I will have serum in my wallet where I can now do with it wherever I want. And now if I wanted to exit this farm, we just have to do the opposite. So I'm just going to press unstake here. I'm going to unstake all of my LP tokens. Approve this transaction. So now it's updated to show that I have 0 ALP staked and my balance of unstaked tokens is 677. So I go back to pools, see up here the pool that I'm currently in. I'm going to manage, I'm going to withdraw my ALP tokens, So now I'm going to get my almond tokens back and my USDC back, and I'm going to press withdraw, press approve. And there we go. I've now updated to have no Atrix LP tokens, so I'm completely out of this farm. So I think it makes sense to pay attention to Atrix Protocol and check in every day or so just to see the new farms that they have going. So currently right now we only have a few farms, but you can get some good APYs on them. But in the future we'll see more and more projects start using Atrix Finance because it is an easy way for a project to create pools and farms with custom emissions to kickstart their project with no code. So that's what's positive about Atrix Finance. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you took something away from this. Always make sure to do your own research and just know that none of this is financial advice. So thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.